Welcome to Oven Foods. Today I'm making a delicious chicken cheese pide. Soft bread base, spicy chicken filling, and lots of melted cheese. This no-oven pide is perfect for dinner parties or special cravings. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, 110 ml warm water, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon yeast. Mix well and keep aside for 5 minutes. Yeast dough gives a soft bread-like texture. Now add 1 cup flour, 1 tablespoon oil, half teaspoon salt. Mix well and knead into a soft dough. Always active yeast properly before kneading. Rub some oil in the dough and keep aside for 40 minutes. For the filling, heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Add 2 tablespoons onion. One teaspoon ginger garlic. One cup chicken keema, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin, and 1 chopped tomato. Stir well. Add coriander leaves and keep aside to cool. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes until dry. Take the rested dough and roll it into an oval shape. Place mozzarella cheese along the edges. And fold to seal the border. Seal edges well to hold cheese inside. Spread pizza sauce in the center. Add cooked chicken filling and top with mozzarella cheese. Let chicken filling cool before assembling. Place the pie in a 7-inch oil grease mold with baking paper. Sprinkle oregano and chili flakes. Brush egg yolk on the edges. Egg yolk adds the shiny golden crust. Place a pan with a wire stand. Preheat the pan for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Chicken keema provides lean protein. Homemade pide, avoid processed filling. Cook for 25 to 30 minutes on medium-low heat. Mozzarella melts evenly and stretches beautifully. Cool slightly, slice and serve. Control cheese makes it balanced, a satisfying one-dish meal. Your chicken cheese pide is soft, cheesy, and full of flavor. Serve it hot with sauce or salad. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Oven Foods for more bakery-style savory recipes.